Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time here, my name is B, and they say you're supposed to clean your makeup brushes after every use. Okay, don't ask me the last time I cleaned my makeup brushes, but this video is just going to be a little demonstration on how I clean my makeup brushes. Makeup brushes and some sponges I have also. Sponges are really dirty. Really. First, I grab some vinegar, some apple cider vinegar. Don't measure it. And I use any container I can find. I'm just gonna pour that in here. So I'll take some dish detergent. Today I'm using Ajax. So what I just did, I'm gonna put it in this can, an empty coffee can, because I want my brushes to soak. They're kind of like really bad since I haven't washed them in a long time. They're like really bad. So since I'm letting them soak, I'm only going to put like a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some more soap, and some water. And I was careful not to put too much, because I don't want to ruin my like this part. So I should dump a little bit out. I'm not going to let them soak for too long, but they do need to soak. These brushes is bad. Right now, I got all my brushes soaking in vinegar and dishwashing liquid plus water. I'm going to leave them in for about 5 minutes, because right here, I got my concoction of vinegar and my dish detergent. I want to add some fabric softener to it, just to combat the smell of the vinegar, and also adds a little soft conditioning for the bristles as well. So just a tad bit, not so much. Look at this water. Oh my god, disgusting. This is disgusting. Y'all see that? It's rinsed in here. Showing you guys how I do it. I'll rinse this out. This is the brush. Paper towel set up over here. So I'm just going to place it right here. So, brush right here. Oh my god. Disgusting. So I rinse out my brushes before I put it in the concoction again, just to get some of the yuckiness off. I should have did this brush last. This is the brush I use every day. Every single day. Brush. I'm gonna make another concoction. Because this, as you can see, is disgusting. These are my sponges, still soaking. They've been soaking for I changed the water. The water was horrible. So, and rinsed them out, and they're still soaking. I'm gonna let them soak for overnight, and if they still dirty, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy some new sponges. Dry overnight, and they should be good. Come back tomorrow.